Yes,
Okay.
I want to know some information regarding your placement.
Okay.
So you are Mahendra, right?
Yes.
So to which company you got placed?
JMR Infotech.
Okay, congratulations on getting placed.
Okay, ma'am.
When did you got placed?
And I got placed like some 3 weeks ago.
Okay, so what is your designation?
Associate consultant.
Okay, so what is the salary package?
That I can't disclose now. Company people told us can't.
Okay, no problem. Uh, who trained you Java in
Shankar sir.
JSPIDERS? Okay,
Shankar.
SQL and web.
SQL Mohan sir.
Okay, and web.
And
Web.
then Sai sir for servlets and all.
Okay.
And,
Okay, so what's your experience in JSPIDERS Rajajinagar?
what's your experience? Means I joined
Like,
on October 27th, I guess,
okay,
last year.
okay.
And,
So like, how was the training? How was the management team?
means teaching is good.
Okay.